Please stand by.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for North Central Jackson Parish, Southwestern Union Parish, Northwestern Washita Parish, Eastern Lincoln Parish, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Jonesboro, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Ruston around 5:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Vienna, Schulderen, Auburn, Downsville, Unionville, and Dubuque. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, and Union.